Today I am reviewing Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking to revolutionize your kitchen experience, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770 is a powerhouse appliance designed to handle everything from smoothies to dough with professional-level efficiency. At its core, this system boasts a massive 1,500-watt motor, delivering 2 horsepower of crushing power. That means whether you're blending ice, frozen fruit, or tough vegetables, you'll get silky smooth results in seconds. This isn't just any blender. It's designed for high-performance results that rival professional-grade equipment, all from the convenience of your own kitchen. One of the standout features of the Ninja BL770 is its total crushing technology. The XL 72-ounce pitcher is ideal for large batches, perfect for families or when you're entertaining guests. With the total crushing blades, you can turn ice into snow almost instantly and blend even the toughest ingredients effortlessly. The pitcher has a 64-ounce liquid capacity, giving you plenty of room to create generous servings without worrying about overflow. For those on the go, the Ninja system doesn't disappoint. It includes 2 16-ounce Nutri-Ninja cups with to-go lids, making it easy to prepare personalized shakes, smoothies, or protein drinks and take them with you. Whether you're heading to work, the gym, or a busy morning commute, these cups ensure you never have to compromise on nutrition or convenience. Beyond blending, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System doubles as an 8-cup food processor. This processor bowl delivers consistent, even chopping, pureeing, and mixing. Whether you're preparing fresh salsas, chopping vegetables, or mixing dough, it can handle it all. The system includes a dedicated chopping blade and a dough blade, capable of mixing up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds, which is perfect for making bread, pizza, or pastries quickly and efficiently. The versatility of this system is truly impressive. It offers 4 functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve, allowing you to choose the best option depending on your recipe. The Ninja Blade system features 4 unique blades optimized for every task. From total crushing blades for the XL pitcher to pro extractor blades for single-serve smoothies and specialized dough and chopping blades for the food processor, every blade is crafted for maximum performance. Cleaning is also a breeze. All BPA-free parts, including the cups, bowls, and blades, are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is minimal. The motor base only requires a simple wipe with a damp cloth. This combination of high performance and easy maintenance makes it a practical choice for busy households. In terms of design, the Ninja BL770 is both sleek and functional. Its high airflow system ensures that the motor remains cool even during extended use, while the ARGB lighting adds a modern, visually appealing touch to your kitchen. It also comes with a wired LED backlit USB gaming keyboard and mouse. It comes with everything you need to start blending immediately, including a quick start guide and inspiration guide to give you ideas for meals, drinks, and more. In summary, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770 is more than just a blender. It's a full kitchen powerhouse that combines the functionality of a high-performance blender and a versatile food processor. From making frozen drinks, smoothies, and purees to chopping vegetables and kneading dough, it handles it all with speed, power, and efficiency. If you're serious about cooking or want to streamline your meal prep, this system is a game changer. With a 1-year limited warranty, you can trust that your investment is backed by Ninja's commitment to quality and customer support. Whether you're a smoothie lover, a home baker, or just looking to save time in the kitchen, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770 is designed to make your life easier, tastier, and more fun.